People often ask me, how do I find a lawyer? Well, there's some pretty easy techniques to use. Number one, ask a judge, ask another lawyer, ask a police officer. They know who's good and they know who isn't. Here on the Central Coast, it's a pretty small colony. Number two, the San Luis Obispo Bar Association has a free service. It's a great deal called the Lawyer Referral Information Service. Just look under San Luis Obispo County Bar Association. You get a free consultation with somebody who has malpractice insurance, somebody who's been checked out, somebody in your town, and you get a cheap, free consultation. Number three, the best and only one I know of is the Martindale-Hubbell Company actually rates, based on surveys and real investigations, lawyers not only for skill, but for ethics and honesty. And the highest rating you can get is an AV rating. I remember when I got my AV rating, not to brag or anything, I just felt like, wow, I really accomplished something. Because this doesn't mean I just think I'm good and I think I'm being honest. It means everybody else thinks that too, even though we all may be wrong. In any event, that's a great place to look, martindalehubbell.com. The books are in the library. I always tell people, the judges hate me for this, ask a judge. They know who's good, and they nearly always will say, well, I can't give you an individual lawyer, but I'll give you 3 names. Those 3 names are golden. Who knows who's playing the best football? The umpire down on the field watching this guy clip somebody every time? There's somebody watching from the stands. Next, lawyers specialize like doctors. Generally speaking, you need a specialist. There are specialties that the bar certifies, like in workers' comp, estate planning, and appellate law. That's a good sign. This person has gone through all of the steps to be good at this. In the litigation area that I do, personal injury and insurance, are they members of ABOTA, the American Board of Trial Advocates? You have to have tried a number of cases. You have to have been vetted by your peers to be in this group. The American College of Trial Attorneys, same thing. If you find somebody in one of those 2 groups, you should take a hard look at them because they're experienced and they're pros. Also, with attorneys in the litigation field, see if they're members of the organizations that usually are the sign of somebody serious about being a lawyer. Like in the case of a plaintiff's lawyer in personal injury cases, is he or she a member of the American Association of Justice, the nationwide group of trial lawyers, the Consumer Attorneys of California, or, in our case, the Central Coast Trial Lawyers Association, which is made up of litigators. The best place to find a lawyer is in your hometown, even if you've got a problem in another town, because that lawyer knows a lawyer in the other town who knows who's good. It's always a great place to start. Hope this information has been helpful to you.